Hello dear children, welcome to my channel Dino World TV. Today in our mud ground there are many farm animals and dinosaurs, including two very big animals, a parrot and a velociraptor. We will clean all these animals one by one out of the mud and wash it. Watch till end. The first animal you have from this mud is the elephant. Elephants use their trunks for various tasks like drinking, breathing, and communication, highlighting their ability and intelligence. Now children, you have the next animal, the bear. Bears hibernate during winter months, conserving energy by loading their metabolic rate and living off stored body fat until spring arrives. Next you have the dog. We will also clean by taking it out of this mud. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell which they use for various tasks like tracking, detecting, The next animal you have to clean it the tiger. Tiger have unique stripes on their fur, helping them blend into their surrounding for hunting and camouflaging themselves from prey and potential threats. And the next animal you have is the zebra. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Zebra have black and white stripes that act as their natural defense mechanism, confusing predators and making it challenging for them to single out an individual zebra from a group. Now the next animal you have is the rhinoceros. Let's clean it up. Rhinoceros have thick, tough skin that provide protection against predators and thorny vegetation in their habits, ensuring their survival in harsh environment. Now the next animal you have is the cheetah. Let's clean it out of this mud. Cheetah are the fastest land animals, reaching a speed up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts, allowing them to chase down prey with remarkable agility and speed. Now you have the next animal, the hippopotamus. Clean it by taking it out of the mud. Hippo stay cold by spending most of their time in water. Now friend, we will clean the dinosaur by taking them out of the mud. The first dinosaur you have the Parasaurolophus. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Parasaurolophus had a distinctive crest on its head, which scientists believe was used for communication and making sound. The next dinosaur you have to clean out of the mud is Velociraptor. Velociraptor has sharp claws and was a fast runner, making it an efficient predator during the dinosaur era. Now you have the next dinosaur, Monoclonius. Let's clean it out of the mud. Monoclonius was a horned dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, known for its distinctive single horns on its nose. The next dinosaur you have is a Allosaurus. Let's clean it out of the mud too. Allosaurus was a large theropod dinosaur known for its powerful jaw, sharp teeth, and abilities to hunt large prey during the Jurassic period. The next dinosaur you have is a Diplodocus. Let's clean it out of the mud too. Diplodocus was a long-necked dinosaur with a whip-like tail known for its herbivore diet and massive size during the Jurassic period. Now you have the next dinosaur, Spinosaurus. Let's clean it out of the mud. Spinosaurus was a massive predatory dinosaur with a shell-like structure on its back. Next, you have the dinosaur Ankylosaurus. Let's clean it out of the mud. Ankylosaurus was a heavily armored dinosaur. Now you have the next dinosaur, T-Rex Tyrannosaurus. Let's clean it out of this mud. Tyrannosaurus rex or T-Rex was a hug carnivorous dinosaur known for its powerful jaw and sharp teeth. Now you have the next dinosaur, Stegosaurus. Let's take it out of mud and wash it. Stegosaurus was a herbivorous dinosaur with distinctive plates along its back and spikes on its tail, living during the late Jurassic period. Now friend, you have two big animals and dinosaur, Velociraptor and a parrot. Let's clean them one by taking them out of the mud. Now you have the first, clean the parrot by taking out of this mud. Parrots are intelligent birds known for their colorful plumage, ability to mimic human speech, and social behavior, making them popular pets and fascinating creatures in the avian world. Now you have the last dinosaur, Velociraptor. Let's clean it out of this mud. The Velociraptor was not a large as commonly portrayed in movies. In reality, they were about the size of a turkey, around 2 meters long and weighed about 15 kilograms. Thanks friend for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.